Yo internet, what's up guys? As you can see, this is my schoolmate PC. This is my little Korg synthesizer right here. So I don't really want to use batteries every time I want to play this thing. So I made a USB plug. I don't know if you can see that. USB plug. And I wired, let's see if we can get a better shot. Alright, so I wired, you know, the red and the black one. You can cut the white and the green one off. And as you see, I do have power. For some reason it's not that very loud, but whatever. There we go. So yep, that's pretty much it. Alright.